It's a quiet Friday afternoon at a bank in Fairfield Township, Ohio. An elderly woman strolls in, looking like any other customer. But within moments, everyone realizes she's anything but ordinary. Surveillance cameras capture the shocking scene. The woman suddenly tosses a black bag toward the teller. Hidden in her grocery bag, she's allegedly holding a gun. At first, the employee seems unaware of the threat, until the suspect makes it clear she means business. According to the arrest report, the woman demands cash while keeping her weapon trained on the teller. A tense silence fills the air. Seconds feel like hours before the terrified teller unlocks a drawer and hands over the money. But the woman isn't finished yet. As one customer quietly slips out of the bank, the suspect shifts her focus to another employee, this time demanding more cash. Surveillance footage shows a brief exchange between the two before the worker raises her hands in fear. Moving slowly, the employee unlocks a drawer and begins pulling out stacks of money, complying with the armed woman's demands. The teller stuffs the cash into the bag, and just like that, the suspect snatches it and walks out. But police are close on her trail. Investigators track a vehicle matching the suspects to a home in Hamilton, Ohio. She may have stripped off the license plates during the heist, but it wasn't enough to hide her tracks. But it was her bumper sticker that led officers here.
HPD. That plate is. All right, guys, what you got for me? Did you see anybody come in or out of the house or anything, or?
No. Is that vehicle there?
Yes, sir. It is. It's parked up in a driveway in Plainview.
Garrett, just go to the perimeter and let's get a warrant. Unless she comes out. She is armed.
Yeah.
Two females in the backyard. Up here, unarmed. They're trying to open that with cases. I'm going to go back and start typing the search warrant.
Just hang out on the perimeter. As long as you know we're okay. This is a. That way, in case something happens, we're good. You know what I'm saying?
Now, investigators spot a crucial clue. A bright sun bumper sticker visible in surveillance video of the getaway car. A search of vehicle records confirms the match. The same car, plates still intact, registered to the owner of this very address.
I thought it was Dave. Oh my God. Son of a... Somebody's here?
Yes, ma'am. Come to me.
Hi. Hands, I'm sorry.
Come
He
here.
said hands.
Please, ma'am.
Let's see.
Come here for a second. Okay.
You got to pat me down? I'm sweating.
I'll tell you what. Nope, that's good enough.
Okay.
If I'm just going to take the flat of my hand.
Yeah, go right ahead, darling.
And just.
Hi, what did I do?
Well, that's what we're trying to find out what's going on here because. Ma'am, come here.
And she was in the house and she just came out. We're shoveling sand.
I'm coming.
Oh my God.
Can you go over there by those officers for me, please, ma'am?
Me or her? Ann?
I want you, please, ma'am, if you could.
She can't hear.
I don't hear well. I can't hear over here.
Police identify the suspect as 74-year-old Ann Mayers, who, they later learn, walked away with less than $600 from the heist.
Ma'am, do you have any weapons on you?
Lord, no.
Okay.
What did we do?
Okay. Yeah, I want you over there for me, please. Thank you. Thank you so very much, ma'am.
My car's locked.
That's okay.
number 2665 out of service.
Just hang out for a second, okay? Yes, ma'am.
You still having computer issues? Hey, bro. Do you want to log in? Hey, bro. 11-14.
Warm.
I just got off the phone with IT.
6 report break for event.
Got
X-ray.
All right, just hang out for a second, ladies. We'll explain something. We'll explain here in just 1 minute, okay? I appreciate it. Thank you.
I wish I had more water.
It's okay. Is that right? Sure, is that right?
Unfortunately, while I'm not going to have surgery.
Clear.
One more for six.
You guys want to start talking or what?
41 College Corner Pike.
You guys want to start talking to her? You waiting for Sarge or what?
Sarge said wait.
Okay. They say he was heading back to do his Sergeant Veal on his way.
He said something about doing a search warrant and all that. He said,
Okay. Well, we can at least start talking to them, all right?
I want to see.
Yeah, have Sarge. I promise you we'll explain everything here in a moment, okay, ladies? Appreciate it. Thank you so very much.
My grandson is in Garfield High School. He gets out at 3:30. I usually pick him up.
Okay.
He is old enough to walk, so don't, I mean, but I've babied him.
All right.
Are you available or on the arbor?
So are you guys roomies or?
Yeah, my sister.
Okay.
She owns the house.
Okay.
I take care of the outside.
2696 Caroline State Court for 911 handgun donation.
215644.
Investigators soon uncover a possible motive. Ann's sister tells police the 74-year-old had been sending money to a man online, a suspected scammer posing as a U.S. Customs agent. She claims Ann sent him thousands, and on top of that, borrowed nearly $70,000 from her and a friend.
Okay, that matches the plate on this overhead there.
Who's the RO on that?
And Mayor, 74-year-old female, white female, curly gray hair.
Thank you. Well, it's definitely a good day for lawn work, but just like I said, give us a minute.
Yeah, I got my strawberries. I just have to fill in. I'm doing potatoes. There's too much sand. We had a swim pool there.
Oh, I get it.
Oh, these
You want to get in my car?
Here in a second, ma'am, I'm going to ask you, but I want to let you know what's going on here first in a minute, okay?
Mine's there.
Yeah.
My keys are behind the door, Ann.
Okay.
Mine are...
You guys won't have any calls out on this block tonight, will you?
I don't know. Isn't that the rendezvous people? No.
Huh?
I thought that was the rendezvous people.
Rendezvous?
Yeah, the ones that sit out
Oh.
here at rendezvous every day.
No.
So,
It's the red shirt. It's the red shirt. Okay. I don't know. Brandon said he's on his way. I don't know if he wants us to wait. I don't know if he wants to.
kind of. I mean, she's already well in the private conversation.
Yeah.
Officers pause briefly to assess the situation, then move in to catch up with the suspect.
And that way we can release them. We'll be releasing you guys here in a minute, okay? Thank you so very much for helping. Just hang tight for a minute. We'll be releasing you out of here in a minute, okay? So we're releasing you guys. You can let you clear out of here in a minute.
Oh, I thought you were talking about us.
No.
No.
Not right now. Okay, just hang tight for a minute.
Somebody go with me in the house so I can pee.
Ma'am, I just kind of want you to hang out for a minute, okay?
Take her just to take her back to the PD.
Okay. All right, so real quick, ma'am. This is Detective Uri Dutra and Officer Robinson. We want to talk to you about an issue that happened today.
Okay.
At this point in time, though, I'm going to take you into custody. If you
Okay.
could please turn around and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Do you have
Just
any weapons
like
on
you're
you?
praying.
Sharp on you?
Are there any guns in the house, ma'am? I'll explain this here in 1 minute to you, okay? I promise. Just give me a minute, okay?
There is
22.
Okay?
There's a couple that don't work.
Okay.
They're old, my mom and dad's guns.
You said it's 22?
Rifle.
I'm trying to call you.
Small 7. Small 9.
Is that too tight on you, ma'am?
No, that's
Okay, I want to make sure you're okay. And I promise you we'll get everything situated here in 1 minute, okay? I promise.
Is anyone else in the house?
Huh?
Is anyone else in the house?
No.
Okay. Are there any dogs or pets or anything like that in there? Because we don't want them getting out or anything, okay?
No dog, no pet.
All right.
No nothing.
Okay.
My mom and dad passed away.
Okay.
Where am I going?
Into one of these cars, you're going to find out which one, Sarge.
Come here, sissy. It'll be all right.
Just put her in your stebbins.
What?
Huh?
I don't know.
Here, come here. All right, here.
I don't know.
Well, we're going to explain here in a minute, okay? Yeah, they're going to explain it to you in a second. Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
Where you going, sister?
I said her sister is out here.
Okay. So we're going to wait. We're taking you to the police department. There's some people that want to
Okay.
talk to you, okay?
All right.
And that way is we can explain everything and go that way. I just don't want to step on their toes, okay?
All right.
Are those going to be okay on you? Those all right?
Yeah, they're fine.
Okay.
I got popsicles.
All right. I just want you to be careful. And I know you're not going to try to run in front of me, but you know what? I'm clumsy, and
at
sometimes
my
I have a
knees.
hard time.
Do I look like I could run?
No, I'm saying I know you're not, but I'm just holding on to you because I don't want you to fall, ma'am.
No, I don't want to fall either.
All right, so we're going to... Yeah, go ahead and unlock my back door for me.
Oh, I got my shoes.
Yeah, you're all right. It's all good. All right. Can you just pat her down real quick one more time for me? Because I just did a quick...
the vehicle for me, okay? Yeah. All right, you sit on the curb for me. Thank you. So go ahead and just stay right there. Nothing on you, right? Nothing going to stick me or poke me, nothing like that? Nothing in your bra? You can't tug here?
I don't care.
When officers search Ann, they find only $12 on her. But a closer look inside her car reveals the real evidence: a loaded handgun and $568 in cash hidden in a grocery bag.
Nothing in your shoes, no socks, nothing like that?
I don't have socks on. I'm
Okay. You care if I look up for you on your waistband?
anything done.
As soon as I get you to the police department, man, we'll get them things off of you, okay?
Have a seat for me. Some help? I got you.
Well, I have used replacement.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's okay. Put your head in there. It's okay. All right, ma'am. Thank you so very, very much.
You buckle?
Yeah, let's buckle her in and make sure she's okay,
I'm going to reach right in front of you here real quick.
please.
All right, here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me. Yep. Thank you. Nice and slow.
Ann is taken to jail, but on the way, the 74-year-old makes a stunning confession.
I did whatever you're here for.
I'm sorry?
I did whatever you're here for.
Okay. What was it? What would that be?
Margaret,
Okay.
my sister knows nothing about it.
Okay.
You heard that right. Ann comes clean about the robbery, but insists her sister had nothing to do with it.
She knows absolutely nothing. She's in
I'm okay, Bert.
She's in the cold.
Okay.
644, go ahead.
Be advised at 15:05 hours, the subject in custody openly admitted that she knew why we were here, and it was the R group robbery. And admitted to it. Okay.
644, that's good.
Be around with her with my PD. Break for beginning.
Go ahead.
30178.9. 30178.9. Okay. Well, ma'am.
644, Hamilton, you guys are in clear wall 9. Hamilton, you guys clear wall 9.
Well, I'm going to get you to a
been updated.
where you can use the restroom here real quick, okay?
I hope so.
Do what, ma'am?
I hope so.
Yes, ma'am, and I promise you, everyone that we talk with you are going to be just as polite, respectful as
Ann
I am.
was booked on charges of aggravated robbery with a deadly weapon and tampering with evidence. Court records show she later pleaded guilty to the robbery charge, while the tampering charge was dropped. Now 75 years old, she's serving a 4-year prison sentence.